Hi, my name is Emily Groshek, and I'm going to be talking about how Study Island can be used as a tool for universal design. So, I am a 7th and 8th grade mathematics teacher. I am in my third year of teaching at Muncie School District. Prior to that, I got my undergraduate degree from Kutztown University, and I'm currently an instructional technology student at Wilkes University. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the universal design for learning, identify characteristics that can help assist students with learning disabilities, and explore Study Island as a tool for universal design in the classroom. So what is universal design for learning? It is a design that breaks down barriers and creates flexibility in the classroom. The guidelines are updated as necessary, which I think is pretty cool. It's not fixed. It is informed by feedback, so changes are made when necessary. There are 3 forms of criteria that need to be met, and that is multiple methods of presentation, multiple options for participation, and multiple means of expression. So, the universal design for learning can assist learners with disabilities. I actually pulled a quote from one of our unit readings, and it says that UDL uses computer technology to create an educational environment that allows all students, including those with learning disabilities, to succeed in general education classrooms with minimal use of assistive technology. Now, why is this important? Our textbook talks about how students vary in readiness and how readiness level is not fixed, and it's also not synonymous with ability level. So the universal design really provides a way for all students to learn. Going back to the first criterion of multiple methods of presentation, there must be multiple media forms present, such as lectures, textbooks, videos, and etc. Study Island meets this requirement because they have lessons, they have videos, they have practices, they have tests, they have games, they have a whole bunch of stuff. Adjustable ways to access media such as font size, speed controls, and volume. Study Island also has an on-screen calculator, which I think is neat, where students then not only can use their hand calculator, but this is also an option to have it on the computer screen. For multiple options for participation, students can pick what they want to do based on their preferred learning style. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't log in to Study Island to show you the student view of this, so I tried to get pictures that would help show you what students would see. And for example, as the teacher, if I would have assigned addition and subtraction, you can see all of the different options Study Island provides to help students learn their addition and subtraction facts. This goes for all topics. Um, Another thing is that it provides extra support when needed. So as the teacher, if I want to, I can enable a scratch pad, additional highlighters, and building blocks. I love the building blocks because it specifically targets what students need help on and assigns them practice based off that. So really love that. Then finally, the third criterion is multiple means of expression. Assignments are, they need to be accepted in various formats. For example, in Study Island, there's games, practices, and tests. Paper and pencil and computer and printer can be interchangeable. I provided a screenshot here. This was an actual resource that I made for my 7th graders. This was our Unit 9 volume review, and you could see here that you can also print it. So not only can they complete it online, but they could complete it by pencil and paper if they wanted to. So in conclusion, readiness level is not the same as ability level, and UDL provides a framework that allows all students to learn through multiple methods of presentation, multiple options for participation, and multiple means of expression. Study Island is just one tool that demonstrates UDL, but there are more. For example, Google Suite, Padlet, Quizlet, and so on. And then real quick, these are some of the references. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.